wanted to just show you guys this photo shoot I did with my next door neighbor's sister and her friend. And when I took the image, it looked really dark, but then I took it into Photoshop and I corrected first the optics of it, file and chromatic aberrations. And then I went to the auto exposure to create my first look. Now, the main purpose is to try to get the exposure on the subject as close to perfect as you can. And for this, I use the curve tool. And all I want to do is I just want to make sure I'm not going to mess with the highlights of the sky because I'm planning on changing the sky anyway. But what I want to do is I want to bring the highlights up on my two subjects. At this point, I'm almost ready to do what I really wanted to do, which is replace the sky. Okay, so let's get down to the heart of the matter, which is sky replacement. There's a new tab in Photoshop that is dedicated just to replace skies. I've been wanting to use it for a while, and I finally had a chance to do it with this image. I would like to place a sky behind them that is a little more dramatic than the flat, no color sky that was blown out. So what I'll do is I'll look through these different skies. You can even have your own sky replace. You can do your own sky replacement if you like. But I think this is a useful tool for straightening up an image that's all right, but just the sky is blown out. So at this point right now, I mean, I'm liking how it's looking. The color is deepening. It's looking just one more part to do, and that's coming up. And this is the last part of the edit where I'm gonna crop it in some and put it on the rule of thirds. I want to have both of them on the vertical lines as close as possible. And with that part of the edit done, photo shoot looks like a winner to me. I like how the pictures came out, and I think that they were pleased with what they received. Am a landscape and nature photographer, but I've really liked doing portraits. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.